Hey, what's up guys? Happy Tuesday. So for today's Tuesday video, we're going to be doing the difference between the heated brush and the hair dryer. So I've said on stream and other videos which I prefer, but I'm not going to say it now. So I'm actually going to show you a little demonstration. On half my face, I'm going to be doing the heated brush, and on the other half, I'm going to be doing the hair dryer, just to see, what the difference is, what looks more straight, what looks more poofy, and just really it's a personal preference thing. So go ahead and enjoy that video. And my ask of you today is go ahead and throw in the comments which one, if you're going to use heat, which one you prefer and why. And all beards are different. Do you get the same results as mine when you use either one of those tools? All right, guys, go ahead and enjoy the video. All right, guys, so as you can see, I'm just finishing up with the comb and the brush, but here's a pretty good 50-50 comparison of the heated brush versus the blow dryer. Now, obviously, every beard is different. Me, personally, I'm going to tell you I prefer the heated brush. It's a little more direct heat on the beard. The reason why I need it is, as you can see, I have a pretty curly, pretty wavy beard, and I like my beard to sit pretty much right down, and I like to get rid of those curls. You can see a lot of my problem areas like towards the bottom, on the mustache, even the sideburn area. The heated brush, or excuse me, the blow dryer for me just does not get the job done. So that's why I stick with my heated brush. Thanks so much for watching, guys. We'll see you next time.